Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. First of all, I would like to say that I'm celebrating YouTubeversary as I have completed 2 years since my first upload on YouTube. And I would like to thank my family and my subscribers for supporting my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this awesome Christmas snow globe card. So I'd like to wish a Merry Christmas to all, and let's get started and make this fun card. So firstly, we'll take a piece of card and we're going to score it in the middle to make it a card base. So I'm going to use my scoring tool to do so. So I'm going to take my scoring tool and score a line in the middle of the card. We'll fold the card on the scored line and then we have our card base ready to use. Next, we're going to take any circular object. Here I'm taking a duct tape and we're going to trace the circle on the cardstock using this tape. Then we're going to cut along the circle we traced up to the base. So up to the base here where I'm going to mark. So with some scissors, I'm going to cut along the circular line that we have made just now, and we're going to cut it until the marked base. Here we have our cute snow globe shaped card base. Next, we're going to make the snow globe element of the card. To make the snow globe element of the card, we're going to take a sealable bag and we're going to pour some glycerine into it. Next, I'm going to pour some pretty sequins into it. It's a mix of stars, hearts, and foam balls as well. I'm also going to add some purple and green glitter in it to add some sparkle. Then we'll add some water into the bag. Now we will seal the bag. Now we're going to shake the bag well. So here you can see the pretty glitter and stars floating in the pouch. Now we'll stick the pouch on the front of the card with some glue and tape. Then we're going to stick this blue glitter tape around the pouch. Next, I'm going to stick some stone stickers all around the rim of the pouch. Now I'm going to add some Merry Christmas die cuts on the front of the card with some glue. Then we're going to add these cute die cut stars on the front of the card with some glue. Then I'm going to add some stone flower stickers on the front of the card. The next step will be to write the to and from message and along with your greeting in the inside of the card. So here I'm taking a green glitter pen and I'm going to write the to and from message along with my Christmas greeting to the inside of the card. Now we'll decorate the inside of the card with some cute die cuts like this present die cut. We will outline the card with a green marker. For the back of the card, we are going to add a sticker which will then complete our card. So here's our pretty snow globe card completed. This would be a perfect way to greet your loved ones on this Christmas day. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video, and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.